Hello, this is Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure, where we'll be learning about food and acupressure every Monday, Wednesday and Friday in Hindi and on every Sundays in English. Today, we'll be talking about urine retention. So, what is urine retention? Urine retention is a problem in which there is a difficulty while urinating, and people who are suffering from this problem cannot urinate properly, cannot urinate completely, and they always feel that their bladder is heavy. So now let us know what are the causes for urine retention. Aging is one of the main reasons for urine retention. In men, this problem may occur because of enlargement of prostate gland, or there may be any infection in the urinary bladder that may also cause urine retention problem. Talking about food, we should include pineapple juice, carrot juice and coconut juice in our diet, and try to avoid fast foods and foods that are made by refined flour. So now let us know about acupressure points. Today we will be discussing 2 acupressure points for urine retention problem. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe, and if you want me to make a video on any particular acupressure point, then you can comment down, or you can also message me on my Instagram handle. And please do share this video to other people also, so that they also can get this knowledge. So our first acupressure point is over here. See, how will you locate this point? When you go straight down from our middle finger and ring finger, where this both points join. See over here. From there, if you draw a circle straight down, then this is our point. Let us know it again. When you go straight down from the middle finger and ring finger, when this both meet over here, from there if you draw a circle downwards, this is our point. So what are you about to do over here is, you can take any backside of a pen or pencil and then just press over here properly for 4 to 5 minutes. See, you have to press it like this properly. If you have this kind of jimmy, then that is okay. Otherwise, you can use backside of a pen or pencil. See, like this. You need to press over here like this properly for 4 to 5 minutes. After that, we'll do seed therapy over here. For that, you need to take fenugreek seeds and paper tape. Paper tape you will get in any medical store. Now, I'll share a small clip with you all on how to make that seed tape. Like this, you made the tape. You need to apply it on this point properly. See, like this, properly stick it over here, and with help of another tape, just secure it properly so it doesn't fall down. See, like this, in a plus sign, just secure it properly like this. See, whenever you are free, just press over here on the seeds for some time. You need to apply this seed tape for 8 to 10 hours. And once you remove this tape, you need to throw it, and on next day, use new tape with new seeds on it. Do not use the same seeds again. So our second point is on the back side of our hand. See over here. How will you locate this point? From our middle finger and small finger, when you go straight down, see, you will feel a small hole kind of portion over here. There will be a small space. Your finger will go inside. See, like this. Over here. That is our point. Same ways, when you go from your middle finger and ring finger, you go down, straight down. See, you will feel over here a small gap kind of portion in between. Over that is our point. Let us know it again. From the small finger and ring finger, if you go straight down, see, you will go straight down like this. You will feel a gap or a hole kind of thing. Over there is our point. Same way, from the middle finger and index finger, if you go straight down, if you go straight like this down, you will find a gap like portion or a hole like portion. Over there is our point. See, this both points are not in one line. They are a bit upwards and downwards to each other. They are not in same line. Okay? Because they represent our kidney, so they are a bit up and down to each other. So over here what you will do, just take a bit of oil in your hands and apply and press it like this with your first finger, like this properly, and then over here properly for 4 to 5 minutes each. After that we'll apply seed therapy over here. For that you need paper tape and kidney beans or rajma seeds. So now you take like this 2 paper tapes, small paper tapes, and put it on each other like a plus sign. See, like this. After that, take a rajma seed and place it over here in the middle properly. See, like this. Place it in such a way that seeds are parallel to each other. See, like this, and then place it properly on our point. Secure it well. See, like this, and in same way do the second point. See, make a plus sign like this. Apply second seed on it, and then place this over here on the point. See, place it properly. See, like this. You apply the seeds for 8 to 10 hours. Both these treatments you need to do on both your hands. Once you remove the seeds, do not use the same seeds again. Use different seeds. Do this treatment daily. You will definitely feel the results. And that's all for today. If you found my video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.